Back again with another episode of Smothered in Spices. I'm your host, Bill Bearwet, and today we're making a grape nana blueberry kale smoothie. Now the nana is for banana, so when you see that, understand what I'm referring to, okay? This recipe has 5 simple ingredients. We're going to start with 1 cup of blueberries, which was pretty much just 1 packet. Okay, we're going to add that to the blender. Alright, then I have 2 cups of green grapes. If you like red grapes, you can use that. I prefer the green, but feel free to use the red and tell me how it went. Leave a comment, okay? Alright. Okay. Then we have 1 chopped banana. Okay. Alright. And last but not least, we have 2 cups of some chopped kale. I bought this already chopped just to kind of, save me some time. But let me give you a close-up. Kale is the one with the little ruffles on it, so don't buy spinach or some other stuff by accident, okay? Kale. Alright, here we go. Right? And I told y'all before, you always add your liquid last, and we have 1 cup of water. Alright, now give me about 5 minutes, and I'll be back with that last shot. Alright, y'all, so my smoothie is ready. I'm going to go ahead and pour some into this lovely cup. And while I'm doing this, this is a green smoothie. Like, it looks green in color, but the true definition of green smoothie is pretty much when you make a smoothie and you add some type of green leafy vegetables. So I say that because going forward, some of my smoothies may not be the color green, but they are still authentically a green smoothie. Okay, now here we go for the taste test. Little mustache. Y'all, that was really good. That's all I got. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye-bye.